Do you realize how far away Mexico is from Nantucket?
Yeah.
It's far.
A lot of states.
A lot of states. Where are you coming from by when you come to Nantucket?
Oh, well, we came from New Jersey.
Really?
We were born in New Jersey.
Born in New Jersey.
And
Nice.
we were laid by our parents.
Show him the baby, sweetie.
Oh.
Come on, bring out the
I
pictures.
got some great photos of the family.
Really?
Yeah. These are kind of small, so
You guys might have-
embarrassing me.
We're gonna zoom in.
Sweetheart.
So that's what a butterfly looks like when they're all grown up.
That's what they look like when they're all grown up.
And that's what you look like right now.
correct.
All right. Very nice.
We have a
Now-
wonderful life.
I just want to
All
add.
5 weeks of it.
Is that how long you live for? 5 weeks?
5 weeks.
We've got another 3 weeks. We're hoping to make some progress along the way.
And I can't wait to see you again. When
Well,
you
it won't be us.
Thank you.
It'll be our relatives.
Right. I can't wait to see you.
I will let them know you're
relatives.
here, and hopefully they'll
I
come say hi.
really, it's one of my favorite times on Nantucket. Thanks, everybody. Lamar and I.
Thank you.
All right, we'll be right back after these commercials.